Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this soft pink cut crease makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm first spraying the PAC Prep and Prime. To soothe out my dry patches, I'll first apply the hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on the areas where my skin flakes the most. Because the rest of my face falls under the normal skin type, I'm applying the Milani Prime Perfection Hydrating Primer. To fill in those pores of my forehead and my nose, I am picking up the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer, and for the pores under my eyes I am using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this area. For foundation, I'm going for the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9, and to blend it, I'm using a Damn Beauty blender. As you can tell with this foundation, your skin looks really natural and luminous. It gives you a light to medium buildable coverage, which I personally love. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer, which is my favorite, in the shade Stark Nude and Beach Sand. I'm going to use this mostly to highlight my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy. And to blend it, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. For powder, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. Now, personally, I don't like to use loose powders to my face because I have a dry skin. So, I'll just be setting the areas where my concealer creases the most, that is under my eyes and my forehead. To give some dimension and structure to my face, I'll be contouring my face with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze. This is darker than my skin shade, so it will help in creating those shadows that got concealed with the foundation. I'm using this in the usual places like my cheekbones, circumference of my face, chin and nosy. To blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. To clean up underneath my cheekbones, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm blending it using my angled flat top kabuki brush. Now to bring back that warmth to my face, I'll be using a bronzer. This one's Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, and this will go right above my contour. To apply it, I'm using an angled brush. And to add some flush of colors to my cheeks, I'm using a cream blush. This one is by Sugar and it's in the shade Mauve Marvel. To blend it in my skin, I'm using an angled flat top kabuki brush from Cups and Lashes. For highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from the Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics on the highest points of my face, and I'm using a fan brush to apply it. For my brows, I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. I'll first use this spoolie to brush my hair down so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I'll brush my hair upwards and I'll fill in the lower part of my brows. And then at the end, I'll use the spoolie one more time to spread the color up across so it looks more natural. Now to set and seal everything in place, I'm using the PAC Prep and Prime. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer, and this one is in the shade Beach Sand. To set it, I'll be using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. I'm first buffing this very soft lavender shade from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics with my large blending brush by Real Techniques. Next, I'm depositing this soft pink shade Libra from Mercury Retrograde palette, and then I'm depositing this deep berry shade Love Letter from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics with my PAC brush in the style 126, and I'm buffing it using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. Once I'm happy with the way my crease and outer corner looks, I'll be cutting my crease using the PAC Thick Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand with my flat short shader brush. For the middle of my lid, I'm picking up this shimmery rose gold shade Supernova from Mercury Retrograde palette with my flat brush from ABH Cosmetics, and I'm cleaning its edges using my flat short shader brush. For the inner half of my lid, I'm picking up this shimmery, very light silverish pink shade Cosmic from Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty with my flat short shader brush. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm dipping into the shade Vermeer from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. To smoke out my lower lash line, I'm using the shade Love Letter from Modern Vanessa palette by ABH Cosmetics with my PAC brush in the style 126. Next, I'm lining my top lash line with the Lakme Insta Liner. For my waterline, I'm using this white liner by Flamor. For the outer half of my waterline, I am using the Magnetic Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And to finish my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be curling my lashes and I'll be coating them with some mascara, and this one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for lipstick, I'm first applying the shade Read My Lips from Faces Canada, and then I'm topping it up with the shade Delicate from Maybelline New York. And for falsies, I'm applying the Gloomier lashes in the style Starlet. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with some kundan jewelry and a traditional attire. Of course, you can pair it with anything you like. I love how soft, elegant and graceful this look turned out. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.